Yeah, we're about 75 miles south of Bermuda. Heading straight for it at the moment, actually, so we've got to get around it. And then, yeah, we've got a few more hours on this drive before we drive over and start heading west on our final approach to Newport. You know, you can't lie, the last few days have been pretty hard. We've been on the back foot a bit on the shift, we've been a bit more headed, lighter pressure, and now we've got into the same shift as everyone else. We've been really chomping into the miles, and the latest skeds we've been taking kind of 20 miles out the leading pack each sked. But you've got to keep believing that you can rattle off the miles and you can get into that leading pack. You know, for us, we're keeping sailing fast. The focus is as it would be if we were leading, sailing the boat 100%.
Especially on the Southern Ocean Lake, why you hang close there?
48 hours ago we were 235 miles behind. We're now 130 miles behind. It's a 100-mile gain in 48 hours. And as we say on Scallywag, never say never, never give up.
It's the morning, what time is it? Well, it's not the morning, it's midday. I thought it was the morning. I just woke up. Yeah. So we're driving later this afternoon, maybe tonight, depending on the time. But yeah, it's a bit of a process because every single thing is on the starboard side of the yacht, and everything has to get onto the port side of the yacht. Oh, it's been, how long has it been? At least 6 days.
8 days.
8 days. 8 days since we've been on port. Yeah, it's been ages. Feels like we've just been doing a big circle around the world, starboard. Oh, there it is, land ho! Woo! Yeah, land ho. There's Bermuda just down out under the clue of the Master Zero. It's pretty cool landmark to pass, and we should be right on the edge of it.
Plan B.
Yeah, frozen exhale.
Yeah, we lost 20 miles, I suppose, to a couple of boats in the skids. They jived off earlier, so they obviously getting more miles towards Newport as we continued on starboard, and we jived a bit later than that. So there's 570 miles left until Newport, so our window and opportunity to get a gain on the others is slowly diminishing. But I don't know, you still got to stay positive, I suppose. No, we got a great bunch of lads and ladies on board, and we're all here for the same reason, to do the race. We all have a bit of a laugh. There's always a good bit of banter being thrown around on board. It's an awesome team to be a part of. It's just pretty much just like going yachting with your mates, really. So
It's quite wide in that there.
I missed what I need to miss.
You boys are just in there with like a hurry. Well, like live fitness, right? Let's go. I mean, you might get flat. Figure that out.
Yeah. As a first time.
yeah, so we're expecting the pressure to build. I think it's going to get to about 30 plus knots. So only for a short period of time, but it's going to continue to build from now. And once we get through that pressure increase, it's going to die off a bit and swing around, and probably reaching into Newport in the early hours of the 8th.